Cell is the basic membrane-bound unit that contains the fundamental molecules of life, and of which all living things are composed. Lysosomes is one of example of it. To further explain it, lysosomes are organelles that contain digestive enzymes. They digest excess or worn out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. As physical example, a lysosome is like our mouth because it breaks down macromolecules in the cell. Much like our mouth breaks down food that we eat, it has its job to enhance and make animal cells healthy.
Lysosome destroys waste and clean up cell. How? Cells rely on garbage disposal system to keep their interiors neat and tidy. If it weren't for this system, cells could look like microscopic junkyard and worse, might not function properly. So constant cleaning is crucial biological process. That's why lysosome is very important. Lysosome also used as first part of self-defense against diseases. They fight off infected cells that enter your body so that infection does not spread to the rest of cell. Another thing that lysosome do is get rid of unwanted cells or dead cells.
Lysosome is the most important organelle in our body. Why? Because it destroys worn out or damaged organelles. If damaged organelle will stay in our body, it may become toxic or poison to the other organelles. But it don't just destroys the damaged or worn out organelles, it recycles it. According to the Advanced Biology book by Robert Rees and Munger, the lysosome will enclose the organelle to a sac and then the lysosome enzyme will destroy it. And it will produce a soluble product that may be used to the construction of new organelles. Another thing that a lysosome can do is to protect the cell from the invaders such as bacteria and diseases.
One of the reasons why lysosomes is important is because lysosomes have sacs that are filled with fluid containing enzymes to process its nutrients. Lysosomes are responsible for the breakdown of the structures in the cells. In other words, their very purpose is to digest. Not only do they digest other organelles, they digest useless cells and harmful cells or structures or lysosomes destroy cells that could be harmful like bacteria and many more. Also, they remove unwanted materials in the cells, and they recycle products of biochemical reactions. Also, lysosomes can be called the rubbish disposal units within the cells.
Lysosome is the best organelle because it digests food. The lysosome is the stomach of the cell because it is the center of digestion. When food is eaten or absorbed by the cell, the lysosome releases its enzymes to break down complex molecules, including sugar and proteins, into usable energy needed by the cell to survive. If no food is provided, the lysosome's enzymes digest other organelles within the cell in order to obtain the necessary nutrients. The importance of the intercellular digestion by the lysosome helps in nutrition of the cell by digesting food, as they are rich in various enzymes which enable them to digest almost all major chemical constituents of the living cell.